students. Hello students. Today we discuss the property of concentrated sulfuric acid. This concentrated sulfuric acid, it is a non-volatile acid which are used for preparation of volatile acid like HCl, hydrochloric acid, like HN3, nitric acid. It is also preparation for weak acetic acid. Now first reaction, suppose NaCl, sodium chloride react with sulfuric acid, it gives NaHSO4. NaHSO4. In that one hydrogen with Cl. Removal of HCl means it is a formation of HCl. HCl means acid. It is a formation of volatile acid and it gives salt, sodium hydrogen sulfate as a salt. The NaCl, when NaCl react with sulfuric acid, it gives salt and volatile acid means HCl. Now same kind of another reaction when we use KCl. KCl means potassium chloride react with sulfuric acid. It gives potassium hydrogen sulfate and HCl. Potassium chloride react with sulfuric acid. It gives salt KHSO4, potassium hydrogen sulfate and volatile acid HCl. Next, NaNO3, sodium nitrate. It react with sulfuric acid. In sulfuric acid having two hydrogen, one hydrogen with NO3, one hydrogen with NO3, then it gives nitric acid. It is a volatile acid and salt like sodium hydrogen sulfate. When sodium nitrate react with sulfuric acid, it gives volatile nitric acid. It is a preparation of volatile acid from non-volatile acid. In this non-volatile acid, it is example of sulfuric acid and preparation of volatile acid like nitric acid and HCl, hydrochloric acid. We also prepare nitric acid when potassium nitrate react with sulfuric acid. Potassium nitrate react with sulfuric acid. In that also preparation of nitric acid. 1H from sulfuric acid and NO3. Then formation of nitric acid and byproduct salt KHSO4, potassium hydrogen sulfate as a salt. Next, sodium acetate react with sulfuric acid. In that Na with NaHSO4, it is a salt and acetate ion attached with hydrogen to give acetic acid. Now oxidizing property of sulfuric acid means oxidizing agent. Now reaction with non-metal, sulfuric acid. Non-metal like carbon. When carbon react with sulfuric acid, it gives carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide evolved. Now in this reaction, carbon react with H2SO4. It is a 2 times. Then carbon combine with oxygen. There are 2 oxygen means CO2 plus SO2 gas evolved, sulfur dioxide and removal of 2 times water. It is a best oxidizing agent. When carbon, it is a non-metal, carbon react with sulfuric acid, it gives carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide evolved. Now sulfur also react with sulfuric acid. It gives sulfur dioxide and 2 times water. Sulfur react with H2SO4 2 times. It gives SO2. It gives SO2. Sulfur dioxide, it is a 2 times. There are total 4 oxygen and product, but in reactant having total 8 oxygen and the remaining 4 oxygen and total hydrogen, therefore 2 times water, means it is a sulfur dioxide, it is a 3 times, means total number of oxygen 6 plus 2, therefore it is a 8. In reactant also and products also same number of oxygen, and we use sulfur as a 3 times, then sulfur dioxide as a product. Clear students? The total number of sulfur 3, total number of oxygen, in reactant also 8 and product also 8. In reactant having hydrogen 4 and product having also 4 hydrogen. Next, phosphorus react with sulfuric acid, we get the product phosphoric acid and sulfur dioxide. Phosphoric acid and sulfur dioxide evolution. When phosphorus react with sulfuric acid as a 5 times and we are using phosphorus as a 2 times, we get 2 times phosphoric acid, 5 times sulfur dioxide and 2 times water. It is a in this carbon react with carbon, sulfur and phosphorus. All are 3 non-metal. When non-metal react with sulfuric acid, in this it act as a oxidizing agent. In this it act as a oxidizing agent. Concentrated sulfuric acid also react with metal like copper and zinc. When sulfuric acid react with copper, it gives copper sulfate and evolution of sulfur dioxide. Now first reaction, copper react with sulfuric acid, it gives copper sulfate. We are use sulfuric acid as a 2 times, then we get sulfur dioxide and 2 times water. In this reaction, no single displacement reaction students, no evolution of hydrogen. Therefore, this reaction having, it gives copper sulfate, sulfur dioxide and 2 times water. Same kind of another reaction, zinc react with sulfuric acid as a 2 times, we get zinc sulfate, sulfur dioxide and 2 times water. Also evolution of sulfur dioxide. In this reactant having 2 times sulfuric acid H2SO4. When zinc react with 2 times sulfuric acid, it gives zinc sulfate and evolution of sulfur dioxide. This is a metal react with sulfuric acid reaction. Now sulfuric acid react with inorganic compound like hydrogen bromide. When it react with hydrogen bromide, sulfuric acid. Now in this reaction, it gives bromine gas and sulfur dioxide evolve. We are Br2 as a in product having 2 Br, therefore we are using 2 times HBr. When sulfuric acid react with 2 times HBr, it gives Br2 bromine and sulfur dioxide and 2 times water as a byproduct. 2 times as a water as a byproduct. Clear? Now similar kind of reaction, sulfur dioxide, sulfur dioxide evolve when hydrogen sulfide react with sulfuric acid. Another same kind formation of sulfur dioxide evolve when hydrogen sulfide react with sulfuric acid. Hydrogen sulfide react with sulfuric acid. In this reaction we get a revolution of sulfur dioxide and sulfur and 2 times water as a byproduct. This is a sulfuric acid react with inorganic compound. Inorganic compound like hydrogen bromide react with sulfuric acid, it gives bromine and sulfur dioxide evolve. When hydrogen sulfide react with sulfuric acid, it evolve sulfur dioxide and also obtain sulfur. Now next property, sulfuric acid also act as a dehydrating agent. It is also act as a dehydrating agent. Dehydrating agent means it is a removal of or elimination of water in organic compound or organic acid. It has sulfuric acid has great affinity for water, and this is also used as a dehydrating agent in some example. Now first example, ethanol. Ethanol CH3CH2OH. In this reaction, when in presence of sulfuric acid, it react with sulfuric acid at 170 degree Celsius or it may be 160 degree Celsius. In that CH2 attached with OH means alpha carbon, another beta carbon. In alpha carbon having OH group and beta carbon having hydrogen atom. Removal of OH and H. OH and H means water. Removal of water. Now alpha having loss of OH group means it gives CH2, then single bond, and beta having hydrogen loss means CH2. Now valency of carbon 4, then single bond convert into double bond. We get the product as a alkene means there are 2 carbon, its name ethene. This it gives ethene. When alcohol react with sulfuric acid, in this loss of water molecules, then it gives ethene, CH2 double bond CH2. Clear? In this alcohol which is removal of or elimination of water, it is a in this sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent. Sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent. When formic acid react with sulfuric acid, in this also removal of water. It gives carbon monoxide and removal of water. Same kind of another example, oxalic acid. Oxalic acid also react with sulfuric acid. In this also removal of water. It is also removal of water, H2O, and removal of CO2, carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide. The oxalic acid react with sulfuric acid, it gives carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and water. When sulfuric acid react with all carbohydrates like glucose, sugar, cellulose, cotton, paper, wood. When glucose react with sulfuric acid, it gives black spongy mass of carbon. When carbohydrates react with sulfuric acid, it gives black spongy mass of carbon. Now, in this, when glucose react with sulfuric acid, it gives 6 times water molecules and 6 times carbon. Same kind of cane sugar. When addition of sulfuric acid in cane sugar, it gives charcoal of sugar, totally black. In this, totally loss of water. In this reaction having 11 times loss of water molecules. Carbon is obtained in this reaction is very pure, is called as sugar charcoal. Is called as sugar charcoal. When cane sugar react with sulfuric acid, it gives pure charcoal. It is also known as a sugar charcoal. Now another example, when copper sulfate pentahydrate which having water content, it is a blue color. When it react with sulfuric acid, in this sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent, removal of 5 molecules of water, and it gives white color colorless compound of copper sulfate. Blue color convert into white or colorless compound. In this, what sulfuric acid act as a dehydrating agent.